Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and device so tracking can work reliably. Make sure system and app updates are installed because software fixes matter for stability. Once done, wipe the cameras and remove any screen protectors or stickers that block sensors, and position lights to illuminate your hands evenly without harsh backlight. You want contrast between hands and background. Darker clothing behind hands helps. Finally, sit or stand at a typical play distance, so calibration captures realistic motion. Next, refine how you present your hands and tune settings to reduce jitter. Keep your hands roughly 1 to 2 meters from the headset and centered in the cameras. Move slowly through ranges of motion while following any on-screen calibration prompts. Make sure controller emulation or mixed input modes are turned off if you're relying solely on hands. In settings, reduce overly aggressive smoothing or increase responsiveness depending on whether you see lag or jitter. Try small changes, test, then iterate to find the sweet spot. Finish by validating performance and knowing how to recover when things go wrong. Practice consistent hand poses during use and pause briefly when switching gestures so the model can relock tracking. Rerun calibration after major changes like lighting shifts or headset repositioning, and test in different rooms to confirm settings. If tracking still fails, toggle hand tracking off and on, restart the headset, and if necessary, clear cache tracking data. This usually resolves persistent drift or occlusion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.